Hi everyone, welcome back to Total DIY. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make homemade carrot soup for skin whitening. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which help brighten the skin and improve complexion. Let's get started. First, take two fresh carrots and peel off the outer skin. This helps remove any dirt and impurity. Now, using a kissing grater, finely grate the carrot to extract the juice. Next, transfer the grated carrot into a cheesecloth and squeeze out the juice. This should be our natural skin brightening ingredients. Set it aside for later. Now, take 500 grams of glycerin soup base and cut it into cubes. This will help it melt evenly. Use the double boiler method to melt the soup base completely. Stir occasionally until it fully dissolved. Once the soup base is melted, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Now, add 2 tablespoons of fresh carrot juice. Next, add 2 capsules of vitamin E oil. This helps nourish and protect the skin. Step well to combine all the ingredients. Now, carefully pour the mixture into your soup mold. To get rid of any excess foam or bubble formed at the top of the soup, spray a little alcohol on the surface. Let the soup sit for about 5 to 6 hours or until it completely solidifies. Once set, gently unmold the soup and it is ready to use. Let's do a quick hand wash test. As you can see, it lathered beautifully and leave the skin feeling soft and smooth. Carrot soup is packed with amazing benefit for the skin. It helps lighten dark spots, reduce blemishes, and give a natural glow. Plus, the vitamin E oil helps keep the skin hydrated, and youthful. And that is it for today's DIY skincare recipe. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next one.